Yeah, okay, couldn't help myself and I had to rub one out, panel that is. So I've rubbed back the guide coat with some 240 with my block. As you can see, I didn't do a centre strip there, but it's exposed some low spots and a few high spots, but otherwise not too bad. Accidentally rubbed through the metal a couple spots here right on the edge, but that's all good, so I can hit it again with just a light spray of it. See some low spots there, a few there I'm going to have to fix up. You can actually feel them, they're dented. Up top here, a couple little dents on top here. Oop, there goes the fluoro's making it go crazy again. Yeah, so basically if I can get all the rest of the car all blocked back like that and take care of the few low spots and shit before we get the high build on, it's going to make it much easier in the long run.